Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom resolutions in NVIDIA control panel. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So to start with, you first want to have the NVIDIA control panel downloaded. You can head over here to the Microsoft Store and download it, and once you have it downloaded, we're going to go ahead and open it up. So we have it open now, and this is probably the page that you will start on. So on the left, there's few options of places we can go to, and we're going to look for the second thing down, which is display. And just underneath that, it says change resolution. We go ahead and click on that. Here's where we can access our custom resolution settings. So now that we're on this page, as you can see your preset resolutions, but you can also choose and select as you like. But if you want a higher resolution, what we're going to do is click customize. From here, we're going to click this button at the bottom, create custom resolutions, and now it gives us some options to actually customize it ourselves. So you can basically just set this to whatever you like. So once you've done and got your custom resolution set up, all you can do is click test, and it will show you what it looks like, and it will give you the option to revert back if you don't like it. Then if you do like it, go ahead and click OK, and then after that, it will be on the resolution that you originally wanted. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.